We're going to be talking about skirting. What is the importance of skirting? Skirting is important because it protects your AC ducts, your foundation, and your plumbing. Now, what type of skirting shall I get? You will have to consult with your community before installing skirting. The type of skirting that you need also would depend on the type of loan that you have. Keep in mind that most mobile homes sit between 2 to 4 inches off the ground. Let's talk about vinyl skirting. Vinyl skirting is the most popular. It's easily damaged and is the least expensive. Now what about hardy board skirting? Hardy board is the second most popular skirting. It does not warp, better insulation, looks nicer, and it can be painted. It is a lightweight concrete material. You can color code hardy board skirting with your mobile home. Now what about metal and steel skirting? It is not as popular as hardy board skirting, but it is way more durable. Let's talk about faux and natural stone skirting. It is thicker than vinyl and it can mimic stone. Lastly, let's talk about wood skirting. Wood skirting is going to have to be treated in order to be efficient. Don't forget to consult your community before you install your skirting.